Crown LNG is basically a blank slate and could go anywhere. Hey, I'm Andreas, I've been investing for over 10 years, and in today's video let's take a closer look at Crown LNG. Now, the macro is playing into this sector heavily. With the war going on between Russia and Ukraine, we've seen energy imports being affected, and liquid neutral gas, LNG, is one of the sectors that benefited massively from this. A few of you OGs know this, but from the beginning my snowball started with the LNG company that were doing this type of exact business that Crown LNG is doing. But Crown LNG is just a blank slate. It could go anywhere. As you can see, it was recently introduced to the stock market. It has not been trading for that long. We don't have a lot of data from them being a public company. Headquartered here in Jersey's a tax haven, basically. We can see also that they are in fact losing money. If we take a look at the cash flow statement in this case, we can see that operating cash flow is negative. And we can also see that, they're doing some financing, so they're getting money from that side. And what about investing cash flow? We don't really see a lot here, which is a bit surprising to say the least, because if we take a look at the business here, the project pipeline, we can see that they are indeed doing some investing here. Liquefaction in Newfoundland, so to take the neutral gas, put it in a liquid form, then you can put it on the LNG tanker. And these tankers, they can deliver to different parts of the world. Usually it's a ship, it takes it, it delivers it to one of the tankers. It puts it outside of the coast of countries where, for example, it's not 100% sure you're going to get payment. For example, Turkey has a few LNG terminals outside of them. We see it in Southeast Asia, we see it off the coast of South America. And with the war, we've also seen delivery of this to Europe to cover the energy needs. Here we can see, for example, India, regasification. So this is the recipient of the energy. They're going to use it in industry, to heat homes, whatever. Vietnam as well, and then also here UK. So as you can see, Europe has entered this market. They didn't used to be a consumer here, and then they outbid the developing world basically for this liquid neutral gas. So it has seen an upswing, and that's why I'm a bit surprised regarding operating cash flow here being so negative. But then once again, it's a tiny company, $22 million in market cap. This is basically nothing for a company. It's absolutely tiny. It's very difficult to draw any conclusions regarding a company this small, a company this new. And in my case, the risk level of this is way too high to just go in and take a bet on. And I say this because this crisis of energy has been going on for some time, and one of the risks here is that we overinvest in infrastructure and build out new things, and then the situation is solved and we don't see the cash flow from operations coming that was anticipated, planned, promised in this case basically, and then you just get bad investments. We see this especially in the shipping sector as well, with building out capacity a lot, and then it's a wash. There's too much in the market, we restrict it, and then once again we lack container ships, so start building. It's like a cycle. It's the same here in the LNG sector, and I just think that right now we're a bit late to the party in this case, and I feel like the risk outweighs the potential reward in this case. But once again, it's a blank slate. It could go either way. Very new company, very little data. There's a few red flags in it, to be honest, and there's a macro trend that's giving tailwind, as you say. So very interesting stock, huge gamble. I'm happy somebody suggested it in the comments, but I'm gonna stay out of this one. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now, bye bye.